In this video I'm going to try to explain about text editing and text styling. So let's start ViziGen-Page, and I'm going to open the training course project at step 96 because this is where some text editing is about to take place. Now, with regard to styling, styling starts on the Globals tab where you would define named colors, and you would also define text styles and paragraph styles. So if we look back at a text style, this uses a named color, and the paragraph style uses a text style. So the three are interlinked, but configuring them is very straightforward, and it's covered elsewhere in the Help Center. So let's move on to text editing. Text editing is simply the initial entry of text and then its subsequent modification, and that can only be performed inside text boxes. And text boxes can appear either on templates. This is a template, and for example you might want to put a copyright notice down at the bottom of the template so that it would appear on every page that use that template. Or you can put text boxes onto web pages, and this particular page already has a text box. So how do we enter text? Well, with the text box selected, all you do is go to the toolbar and click on the text editor tool, and now you're able to start typing. So I'll quickly type something in. Okay, now how do we do styling? Well, the first thing to explain is about paragraphs. You get a new paragraph every time you hit the enter key or the return key. So militus is a paragraph, and if we wanted to change the styling of that paragraph at the paragraph level, you would simply choose a different paragraph style from the combo box on the toolbar. So we want militus to be a heading, so we will choose the heading paragraph style. Now you can see that its appearance has changed. Now in the paragraph, this is just an ordinary paragraph of text, so we have the paragraph style pale blue text. Now if we wanted to continue typing using a different text style, one that overrode the basic paragraph style, we would do that by choosing a different text style from the text combo box. So let's change to dark blue, and now if I continue typing, you'll see that the text comes out differently. Okay, now if after having typed some text you wanted to change its appearance, what you would do is select the text, and then you could either choose a different text style, let's say make it dark blue, so that's what it looks like, or if you wanted to revert to the default text style for the chosen paragraph style, you go to the text style combo box and just choose the star entry, and that would remove any override text style. So you can see that the appearance has gone back to the way it was, and it's exactly the same with either bold, italic or underline. So if we wanted to make a section italic, you would just click on and now you can see it's italic. And if you want to take that off and revert to the basic text style, you just click on the star. I'd like to explain a little bit about the text caret at this point. So if I click after the Y of 6th century to position the text caret, and I'll bring in the magnifier so that we can see a little better. You can see that the text caret has a slightly different shape, and please forgive the spelling of century. So this indicates that any text that we type at this point will have the styling of the preceding character. Now if I just click on the right arrow to move the text caret towards the right, you can see that its shape has changed, and this means that any text that I type will have the same styling as BC, which has the italic override. So if I just type in A, you can see that that is italic. And the same rule applies for links and bookmarks. Now the only other thing I want to mention is special characters, and these are characters that don't appear on your keyboard. So for example, at the start of this second paragraph, militus, I want to insert a bullet. So how would I do that? Well, go to the toolbar and click on the on-screen keyboard icon, and that brings up this on-screen keyboard. And this set of symbols, commonly used symbols as a bullet, copyright symbol, dagger, and some currency symbols. So in this particular case I want to insert a bullet, so I just click on the bullet, and there we have the bullet in the text. And there are quite a large number of different sets of symbols. So general characters, Greek symbols, foreign language character sets, this is Turkish, arrow keys. So if you wanted to use different characters, this facility should enable you to pick out the ones that you want. And if you have very, very special requirements, then there is a way to extend the character sets in here so that you can add your own. That's covered in the Help Center. Okay, thank you. That's it.